One time clock we have at least everybody have it. Let's go.
Yeah, see there? Time clock. See it, yeah? Smoke detector. You see it? Smoke detector. And we have a split receptacle. So the bottom always hot. And the top controlled by a switch, controlled by this switch. Yeah. And then this switch control this light here. So turn off the switch here. Yeah. Turn it on back. Yeah. So that now control that. And then now we have a three-way also and a four-way. And a three-way control them two light here. So you see it there? 3-point control, bam, turn it on back here, so lock it off back here, so yeah, and then now the light here controlled by the time clock. Yeah, when we don't set the time clock already, so you turn on from 8 o'clock, so 8 o'clock come, we just turn it on. Yeah, but now when I end up to see if it I go turn it off, because I go leave school there now and things. So basically, and we have a GFCI control the regular plug over here, so yeah, everything up and running. So the project for now, time clock, smoke detector, GFCI, three-way switch, single pole switch, switch control, split receptacle. That's it for today. Have a wonderful day. Yeah.